Students, in this video, you will interact with the components of the GUI windows. The layout of the screen which we are looking here is the screen of the Windows operating system, that is the GUI operating system. So, the screen onto which the different objects are present is called a desktop. This is the main interactive screen. This is the main interactive screen of the Windows operating system where some objects are available. These all are, here you are looking on the screen, some pictorial graphics, some small graphics. These all are called icons. These all are called icons. Now you will look here a horizontal bar present to the bottom of the desktop. This is called taskbar. To the left hand you will see a button. This is the start button. This area is known as notification area. This is the quick launch area. So here is the show desktop icon. So these all are the different objects of the Windows operating system. The screen of the Windows operating system you are looking here. This is the desktop. So suppose we require to define the desktop. How can we define the desktop? So it is too easy is to define the desktop here. What is desktop? Desktop, the main screen of Windows operating system is called desktop. It's called desktop. So you know the definition of the desktop. The main screen of Windows operating system is called desktop. It is the interactive screen. So now you are looking here. This is the taskbar. This is the taskbar here. This is the taskbar. TSKBAR taskbar. To the right hand of the taskbar, you will see some important icons. You will see here some important icons here. This area, you are looking here some important icons. This area is known as notification area. This is called notification area. Notification area or system tray. Okay. So and to the left side of the taskbar, you will see a button, and this button is called a start button, from where we can simply browse the applications. So this is called a start button. Okay. So after going through this all the components of the Windows, we can simply interact and work onto the computer. Now here, suppose we require to and may have to know about this one area also. This area also. This is the quick launch area. This is the quick launch area. This is the quick launch area. Quick launch area. This is the quick launch area. Now I have to know the general application of this all the objects appearing onto the desktop. So desktop is the main screen onto which the different icons and some other objects related to the Windows are appearing. And notification area will contain this area will contain the icons of those programs which are running in the background of the computer, supporting the computer running the background. It will support in the basic activity of the computer. So this is called the notification area. Taskbar is the area. Suppose we are going to start to any application. Suppose I am going to start to any application, and suppose I am going to start to any application. Suppose a calculator is now being started. So we'll see its icon is now appearing in this one area. This button is called minimize button. This is the restore button, and this is the close button. When you will click here, the button is changed into the maximized form, and when you will click this one button, this one, the expanded form, the window will take a smaller form and is stored to the taskbar. If you again want to start to this one application, again bring the mouse pointer here and clicking here will start the application. So it means you have learned about how to start any application. Now next one thing about which I am going to explain, what is a CUI. What is CUI operating system? Actually, Windows operating system DOS as a CUI operating system is inbuilt. So how can we start that one application? This is the search box. Click here and type here command command. You will see the list of the related options are now appearing in the menu. Clicking the command prompt will start the DOS prompt, will start the DOS application, and here if you requires to work here we'll have to know about the commands. So I am simply demonstrating the work of some important commands. Suppose if we want to give a sentence to this particular line, that is c:/user/91993. This is the path of the directory. Actually the folder created, these all are the folder here, these all are the folders containing some files and some other folders. So in CUI operating system, so 91993 is also a folder. So we are in the 91993 folder, and which is in the users folder, and users is in C: folder. So suppose we want to come back from the current folder to its parent folder, means from 91993 to users. We'll have to write the commands here. cd _ is a command, is a DOS command that will bring you back to the users. Now after clicking the enter key, you will see you came back from the 91993 folder to users. Again you require to go to the 91993 folder, then what will be the command? We'll have to again type the cd command and 91993. Now you jumped into the 91993 folder. Suppose we want to display the contents of 91993 folder, we'll have to type here command, dir command. So after typing here dir /p, the page wise list of files, folders and applications are displayed. Okay, so this is really the command. This is really the DOS command. Means the CUI operating system is fully the text based command operating system. You must have to know about the commands. After that to be possible is to handle with the computer. So now you have learned here how to work in the CUI operating system. Again, if you require to create a directory, suppose I am coming to the root directory, that is the C:. How can we come to the root directory? cd/ is the command. Now you jumped into the root directory. Here you are looking what are there into the root directory. This is the contents in the root directory. Suppose we require to create a folder, then we'll have to type the command md cls. Cls command will clear the clutter screen. Cls will clear the clutter screen. dir, what are the contents in the current folder will be displayed, and cls command will clear the clutter screen. So this was a very older mode of working when the windows were not working, when the window was not or the GUI operating system was not evolved. So this was a very old operating system, now currently using as an application. Again, I'm simply giving you also an idea about some other commands. Suppose we require to create a folder. As you know, it is too easy to create a folder in GUI operating system. How? Right click onto the desktop, and when the shortcut menu will appear, we'll have to click onto the new option, and adjacent menu will appear. Now have to click onto the folder, and clicking this option folder. Okay, just a minute. And clicking the folder, now you have created a folder. You can change the name of the folder nkm. So this is the folder. But in CUI operating system, how can we create a folder? How can we create a folder? Here you are looking this PC C colon. There is no directory RAM is here. There is no any directory name RAM is here. So suppose we require to create a directory RAM here, then how can we create a directory? Simply have to go to the DOS prompt, type here md command, md RAM, and after pressing the enter key, you will see the directory RAM is created. If you require to see whether the RAM directory has been created in the root or not, we'll have to type here dirp page wise. You just have to search here whether RAM has been created or not here. Here is the RAM. So RAM directory has been created. Okay. So if you require to again go into the directory RAM, then we'll have to type here cd RAM. Now you go into the RAM, dir, nothing in the, after typing here dir, you are looking here, no any directories are present in RAM. If you require to create the other one directory in RAM, then we'll have to type here md Suresh. So dir, you are looking dir, Suresh has been created now. This is the Suresh. Okay. So this way you can use the DOS. Your CUI operating system is being used. You can use the CUI operating system if you are knowing about the commands. Again, if you want to exit from the CUI mode of the application, we'll have to type here exit exit command. After pressing the enter key, you just come back from the CUI operating system. So here we have learned about some important facts of the Windows operating system, and also learned something about the CUI operating system. So in next video, I will show up the other one components, other one objects of the GUI operating system. So till have a nice day and thank you.